Today, let us talk about the Joint Entrance Main Physics Question Paper 2019. Here, a copper wire is stretched to make it 0.5% longer and the percentage change in electrical resistance if its volume remains unchanged. If the volume remains unchanged, then what is the percentage change in electrical resistance? The resistance in terms of length and area is equals to rho into L by A. Rho is the resistivity. L is the length, and A is the area of the wire. So here the volume, we know this area into length. A into L is the volume. So R equals to, we can write A is equals to V by L. So this can be written as rho L square by V. So a copper wire is stretched to make it 0.5% longer. And what is the change in resistance? So what is the delta R by R? What is the change in resistance? So this can be written as delta R by R is written as 2 delta L by L. Here volume is unchanged. Here volume is unchanged, and rho is specific for any material, as rho is resistivity, so it is specific for any material or copper wire. So here the change in delta R by R is the differentiation of L square. This is 2 delta L by L. So the is stretched to make it 0.5% longer. This is 0.5% longer. So here the change in length is delta L by L. This is given 0.5% longer. So 2 into 0.5%. So the resistance change in this copper wire is the 1%. So the answer option is 3. This is the correct option. For any query, you can comment in the comment box, and you can WhatsApp us in this WhatsApp number 9836793076. This is the WhatsApp number of ours. So you can WhatsApp us or comment in the comment box. So that's all for today.